Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So I'm gonna compare the Tymo straightening brush, which is this one right here. I've used this before. I love it. This is amazing. It is like 45 bucks on Amazon. I'll link it down below. And then this one is Rifny, and this is very similar to the Tymo one. It retails for about $40. And I don't know, we'll see if this is just as good as this one, or if this one's better, or if this one's better. I don't know. We're gonna compare them side to side. So I'm gonna do one side with the Tymo and then the other side with the Rifny. I hope I'm saying that right, but with this one. Okay, so this is what my curly hair looks like without any product. Just let it air dry, and this is what it looks like. So we're gonna get it super straight. I'm going to put one side up. Okay, so we're going to straighten this part of my hair. So this side is going to be the Tymo side, and then this side is going to be the other side. So I have this in the highest heat setting, which is about 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And I just think that works really well for my hair type. Very thick and very curly. And let me just show you guys how great this tool is. It's just so good. This really compares to higher end brushes that I have that I love. As you can see, I got it pretty straight. I still have to do another pass. Wow, this gets so hot. So here's what the first section looks like. It is very soft and very shiny. So if you guys want to watch a more dedicated video where I test out this one alone, just this, I'll link it down below. But I'm just gonna do this side, and then I'll come back and do the other side, which is the side that we're gonna really test out and try for the very first time. Hey guys, so here's the final look for the Tymo side. It took me about 22 minutes to do this side, and it usually takes me like 35 to 40 minutes to get my hair completely straight with this tool. So some things that I noticed, as you can see, pulled my hair. Just be very careful because brushes like this can pull your hair. They usually pull your hair at least a little bit. So I did notice that it was pulling my hair a little bit. Overall, I really like how it looks. It looks super shiny. It looks insane. It looks so straight, and it didn't even take me that long. I mean, look at this before and after. This side is like super straight, very shiny, very sleek, and then this side is very big and curly. So one more thing that I have to mention about this brush is that it gets super hot. So I had to use a glove because it was just so hard for me to grab my hair because it was just way too hot. Good thing that this brush brings a glove, so you can use that. I just really like how my hair turned out. But yeah, this gets super hot, and I noticed that it was getting very hot like in my scalp, and it was kind of like bothering me. But I mean, look at the results. It looks really nice, and I would totally recommend this if you're looking for a very affordable straightening brush. This is probably like my favorite affordable straightening brush that I have at the moment. So now let's do the other side, which is the Rifny. So this has a swivel cord just like the Tymo one, and it has this on button, and I guess you can see the heat settings right here. And the shape is just very similar, like it's like a straightening comb. But yeah, this one feels a little bit heavier, so this is a lot lighter. This one cost me about $40 on Amazon, so maybe it's like $5 cheaper than the Tymo one. Okay, so let's turn this on. So as you can see, it says off, so you just press it and it turns to 390. So it's warming up. As you can see, the numbers are going up. So this has 3 heat settings. The heat settings are 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 390, and then 450. So I guess I heated up to 390, so I'm gonna try and do 350. So it says they have to touch the on button again, so there's only one button, which is kind of weird, but we'll try that. So now it's gonna warm up to 450, but I don't want that yet. I want to do 350, so let's do 350. It's interesting how it started from 390 and then 450 and then 350. Why didn't it just start at 350, then 390, and then 450? I don't know, but we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure that I detangle my hair very well so that it doesn't pull my hair. Okay. It didn't pull my hair. Oh, okay. That's not bad. That's actually not bad. It left my hair pretty straight, but I do want to do another pass, so let's do that. Try and twist the ends a little bit. Okay. So it's not bad, but I do feel like it looks a little bit frizzier than this side. So let's do one more, maybe that'll help. Yeah, I mean, it looks pretty straight. I do like this so far. It looks pretty straight. I'm gonna do 390 now just to see how that works. So it's warming up to 390. Let's see if you can see a huge difference from 350 to 390. Okay. You see, now it looks a little bit shinier, like more sleek. So let's do one more pass. I did like the 390 more than the 350, so you can see a little bit of a difference. It looks like if they're both the same size, right? Kind of. But I feel like this one feels lighter and also smaller. But yeah, that's not bad at all, actually. My hair was very curly and I got it very straight. So let's do 450. So let's put it up to 450. Okay. Ooh, it's hot. It's pretty hot. But it got it pretty straight in like one pass. I think I missed this little section right here, but as you can see, most of it is pretty straight with one pass. But let's do one more. Yeah, it's really nice. Okay guys, I am back. Oh my god, I'm so hot. Like, these straightening brushes get so hot, it's insane. Like, I just finished doing my hair and it actually took me about 17 minutes to do this side. It looks very shiny. The ends don't look that great, but I also feel like this side looks a little bit better, the ends, I feel. But straightening brushes like that, it's just a little bit hard sometimes to do something to your ends. I do feel like my hair is starting to get frizzy already though. Like, my hair is so curly, it gets frizzy and poofy like right away. It's like such a struggle when you're trying to have your hair straight, but maybe it's because I was sweating, I don't know. I did feel like this pulled my hair a lot, and I also felt like it got very hot, and it kind of sucks that I didn't bring a glove and I had to use a Tymo one because this one didn't bring one. That kind of sucks because you kind of do need it when it gets super hot in the highest heat setting. This is not bad though. I actually really liked it. It was very fast and it got my hair pretty straight and it looks pretty shiny. The only thing that I don't love about both of these is that my ends look a little bit just straight and not too cute. Like, it's like my hair looks healthy up here. It looks shiny and stuff. As you can see, it looks shiny, but then the ends are kind of just like I definitely feel like this side looks less healthy. Like, it looks like if my hair is so damaged, and guys, I promise you that my hair is not damaged at the moment. I have been taking care of my hair, and if you guys have seen my curly hair videos, my hair looks very healthy in my curly hair. You guys let me know in the comments down below which side you like better. This is the Tymo side, and then this is the Rifny side. If I had to pick one, it's kind of hard because they are both so similar. I do like how this one feels better. It feels a little bit smaller and it also is lighter. This one just felt a little bit rough sometimes. It also pulled my hair a little bit more. I like it, but it's not like my favorite, and I don't think I will use this again. Like, for me to use this, I'd rather use this one. But yeah guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And if you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.